Hi, I'd like to demonstrate Triplets from My Generation by The Who. These are not going to be perfect, as I'm still working on mine. But the idea is to make a triplet and crash on beat number 1 and number 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when I count at 7, it means 1, or the next 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. I'm also hitting my crash cymbal along with the kick drum. That's what kind of propels this thing. Okay, so the lesson really is the triplet. What helped me learn the triplet is learning how to actually stick and do the accents. So you want to accent on beat number 1 and with your right hand and also with your left hand. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So you can noticeably tell the difference between the type of hits, the taps and the stroke. So this is like the tap. And when you add the strokes in, sounds like this. So at the end of My Generation, Keith does a number of triplets, and they're all different types of combinations, but the one thing, for the most part, that he stays true to, there are some exceptions, but is making sure you hit this crash every few triplets. So I just made a mistake. Okay, but you see what I mean? You get the point. It's... I would start with just doing a triplet using your kick drum, the crash. And then add a second component in, or a drum in. If you want to add a third one, you're ready to add it in, that's cool. Let's try to do that. Let's do, start with our right hand here. So I'm just kind of going around with my right hand. So always remember to accent on the crash. And you can do your left hand too. You got to have that balance, otherwise you don't get that kind of like this type of feel. Okay, thanks.